It looks like you want an easy dessert recipe. How about making some delicious, no-bake Oreo cheesecake cups? This recipe is quick and simple, and it's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 cup Oreo cookie crumbs, about 12-15 cookies, crushed. 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. 1 package, 8 ounces, cream cheese, softened. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup heavy whipping cream. Additional Oreo cookies for garnish, optional. Instructions. In a medium-sized bowl, mix the Oreo cookie crumbs and melted butter until well combined. Prepare your serving cups or glasses, about 4-6 small cups or glasses, and evenly distribute the Oreo mixture among them. Press the crumbs down with the back of a spoon to form the crust. Place the cups in the refrigerator while you prepare the filling. In a large bowl, beat the softened cream cheese until smooth and creamy. Add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract to the cream cheese and mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture until fully combined. Be careful not to deflate the whipped cream. Take the cups out of the refrigerator, and evenly distribute the cheesecake filling over the Oreo crust in each cup. If desired, garnish the top with some crushed Oreo cookies for extra crunch and decoration. Cover the cups with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2-3 hours or until the cheesecake sets and becomes firm. Once chilled and set, your no-bake Oreo cheesecake cups are ready to serve. Enjoy this delightful and easy dessert. Feel free to customize this recipe by adding your favorite toppings like chocolate sauce, fresh berries, or whipped cream. Happy indulging!